Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. The link I kept in the description box of this video. And coming to the present content, here we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the government college. And here the salary is more than 1,50,000 rupees per month. So let us see the details regarding this notification. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, and please subscribe the channel to get more notifications. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1 educator. So we will see one small announcement. The candidates who are waiting for the UGC NET Electronic Science complete course. So here from Feb 1st 2021 onwards, for the new batch, the course is going to start from the Unacademy. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. Soon the Unacademy plus subscription plans are going to increase, that you may check down current price and the new price. So from the 1st Feb onwards, the prices are going to increase. So before increase, take the subscription plan, guys. And for the iconic subscription plans also, here the prices are there. So these prices are going to get effective from the 1st Feb onwards. While coming to the present content of the video, it is Administrative Staff College of India, ASCIC. So it is located in Hyderabad, guys. So here the faculty recruitment positions are there, main announced. You may check down associate, assistant professor vacancies for the different departments are there. So associate professor and assistant professor in Center for Environment, Urban Governance and Infrastructure Development. Okay, and like that, assistant professor, Center for Agriculture and Rural Development and Economics and Finance, Energy Studies, Human Resource Development, Healthcare Management, Innovation and Technology, and Public Policy Governance and Performance and Management Studies. So from these different centers, the different assistant professor vacancies are announced, guys. So for example, if you want to check the details regarding any one of the assistant professor vacancies, then click on that one. Okay, the particular department assistant professor, then you will be directed to the details regarding that one. So you may check down. Position is assistant professor and the job description is a sanitation. So invites applications from outstanding professionals who have enthusiasm and sense of urgency to effect change with domain knowledge in urban sanitation, wastewater management, non-sewered sanitation and decentralized wastewater management or priority areas. So about the role are given, responsibilities are given, field level project implementation, policy advisor, business development, teaching, research, organization development. And coming to the qualification, PG or PhD. Here PhD is not mandatory and the UGC NET is also not asking here. So PG or PhD in the environmental engineering, environmental science or urban planning or any other closely related discipline with specialization. And coming to the work experience, about 8 years of sector experience. Okay, and the job location is Hyderabad and the deadline for applying is 10th Feb 2021. Fine, and the selection process is through the interview round. Okay, and the candidates meeting the above requirements may apply in confidence, enclosing the CV in the prescribed format for faculty with 3 references by email to this recruitmentasci.ug@gmail.com. Okay, so if you want to apply, then you may click here for the application format. Fine. So like that, you may check down the assistant professor details regarding the other departments also. For example, coming to the management studies. So click on that assistant professor. Then you may check down here the qualification. So for this one, 2 to 3 positions are there. I mean, PhD is compulsory for this one. And the years of relevant experience is also mentioned and the salary package is also mentioned here. So for all the jobs here, the 10th Feb is last date. So if you are not belongs to these departments, if your friends or colleagues are belongings to these departments, then please share this video to them. Okay, so it will be helpful to them. Fine. So coming to the next one, here you may check down economics. So education. When assistant professor, qualification is PG in management or economics. So preference will be given to the candidates who are who possess a PhD in the management or in the final stage of getting a degree. And the domain expertise is given, experience is given, and age limit is given. Fine, the salary package is also given here. So you may check down. So the last date is the 10th Feb 2021 for all the categories. For all the positions here. Fine, and the selection will be based upon the interview only, guys. Fine. So please subscribe my channel to get the more notifications like this, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys, okay? And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.